Yeah, I just wanted to do a quick video about the new decanter I just got off of Amazon from a company called Bolio. This is a glass pour-over coffee decanter. I'm a total coffee nerd, so I've been looking for stuff. I have a lot of different types of coffee makers, and been using a couple quite regularly. Mostly my French press, when I have multiple people coming over, but this one's pretty unique, and I thought I'd show some of the cool advantages of this one over the Chemex. I use Chemex myself quite frequently, and I like pour over because I think it tastes better, but there's some things that I liked about this one. So the Bolio seems to have, it's a double wall unit, which means that it'll stay hot for a really long time. And one of the problems with pour overs is that they have a pretty big glass and they don't have much coffee inside. So when you it takes several minutes to make the coffee, so by the time you're done it can get cold. You almost have to reheat it almost right away. And this one, I actually left this half full for about 45 minutes or almost an hour, I think, and came back and it was still totally hot. So that was pretty cool. The other thing they do, which I think is really unique, is that they built this basket. So this is a hemp filter, and hemp filters last a really long time. This is a number 4 size. I like the bigger sizes a little better. But anyway, the basket, what happens is if hemp or paper or whatever you choose to use, when it gets wet, it sticks to the glass and it slows the process down a lot. So what they've done is they've come up with this basket, and it sits in there. And what happens is it holds itself off of the glass a little bit. So I was just going to show you quickly what the difference is. So the other thing I've noticed with pour overs, just for general info, is that you want to use about like a medium coarse ground when you're making pour overs, and use more coffee than you would if you ground it really really fine. That way you can make the water pour through pretty quick. And you get a lot better tasting coffee when the water doesn't sit in there for a long time. That's true in general. So I use maybe 40 grams of coffee. This makes 3 cups, I believe. So anyway, that just sits in there, and then you take your water, which I always use at about 88 degrees, and you pour it over. You notice with the combination of this hemp filter and it pouring through, the liquid is coming through all different sides all around there, and not just right at the tip, which is one of the problems with a lot of different types of filters, and it comes through pretty quick. That's a really cool feature. The other thing is that, I don't want to make this video too long, but when you're done with it, this little basket is super handy, because one of the problems with a lot of the Chemex is you take the filter off and you have to run back to the kitchen, where I like to make coffee at the kitchen table. And what this little basket does is it makes it so you can just put it in there, set it down, and you're done. You don't have to run all over the place. So it kind of keeps things thick. And then they give you this really nice thick cork cap that, if it's okay, it just kind of sits on the top like that. You definitely need to take it off before you pour, but yeah, that works pretty good. It's stable, it's not too heavy, it's not too tall. It's kind of tall, but it's elegant. Just, kind of like how it works. And yeah, mix more good coffee.